Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's product update showing the new indicator at the top bar showing you who is inside and outside of a call when you are in a space. So as you can see, I am the host of this space here and we're currently not in a call. So all of my participants as well as myself are outside of the call. But as soon as I start a call in Spaces, I can click the green start button, set up my audio and video settings, and then once I start the call, my participants receive an invite, and you can see that I have been moved inside of the call within the space. Now you'll see that my participants who are still outside of the call are outside of the call circle, but Kiara has just joined me in the call, and you can see that her avatar has moved over to the green indicator. Rufin just joined me here as well, and now you can see that all of my participants who are currently present in this space are all on the call. But for example, if I were to leave this call right here, but keep it active, you can see that my participants are still active in the call while I am in the space, but not on the call at all. Now I can rejoin the call to show you guys again. And now you can see that all of us are in the call once again. That is it for today's product update and tutorial on how to see when participants are in the space with you and are in the call with you. We hope that this was helpful and we thank you for watching as always.